In this video, I'll show you how to correctly service your GREENWAY or VITAPURE UV system to make sure it keeps providing safe, filtered drinking water for you and your family. If you're looking for simplified step-by-step instructions on how to change the lamp, how to properly service the quart sleeve, how to reset the timer, and how to change the pre-filter, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll also know what tools and supplies you need to complete the annual maintenance on your GREENWAY or VITAPURE UV system. I highly recommend you watch this video right to the very end because I've got a great tip on how to make sure you're getting the correct replacement OEM GREENWAY UV lamp and quart sleeve at the lowest cost to keep your UV system protecting you and your family. To begin, you'll need a replacement lamp. However, it's also a great idea to have a spare lamp sleeve on hand just in case you open up the UV and find that your sleeve is so dirty that it's difficult to clean, or in case the sleeve accidentally gets damaged during the service. We have both the lamp and the sleeve available for purchase in a bundle, which is the perfect way to save some money compared to purchasing them individually. Check out our websites watereStore.com in the US and watereStore.ca in Canada. We offer free shipping and discount pricing. We've added links in the description below to make sure you can get the right ones for your GREENWAY or VITAPURE UV system, and you can even subscribe to them to get them shipped to your house automatically every year. We include a 5% discount every time we do that. What could be easier? In addition to the lamp and sleeve, you'll need some clean cloths, a bucket, a towel to protect the floor in case you spill some water, also some vinegar, CLR, or a similar cleaning product to clean the sleeve. We strongly recommend wearing gloves or using a clean cloth to handle the new quart sleeve and the UV lamp. You'll also need clear plumber's silicone grease. You should have a pre-filter like this one before the UV lamp, so this is an ideal time to change that as well. If you're not sure what type or size filter you need, you can always email us a picture of what you have and we can recommend a replacement for you. To start, turn off the water supply at the inlet valve, then unplug your UV system. Drain the water from the stainless steel UV chamber and allow at least 5 minutes for the UV lamp to cool. Next, you're going to rotate the view cap counterclockwise to remove the UV lamp from the disinfection chamber, then remove the connector from the end of the UV lamp. Remove the UV lamp from the quart sleeve and gently rotate the UV lamp. Make sure to hold the UV lamp by the ceramic tips with a cloth or wearing gloves. I'm not using that for this demonstration. The next step is to remove the quart sleeve retaining nut and the O-ring before removing the quart sleeve itself so that you can clean it with CLR or a similar product. Now that I removed that, I can pull the sleeve out pretty easily. Next, insert the clean or replacement quart sleeve into the UV chamber. Lightly coat the O-ring with silicone grease and then place it onto the quart sleeve. After that, tighten the retaining nut by hand to ensure a watertight seal. Next, we're going to insert the replacement UV lamp into the quart sleeve and attach the connector from the ballast to the UV lamp. I already connected it on mine, but it's very easy to do before or after. Then attach the view cap head to the view cap base like I just did by turning it a quarter turn clockwise. Next, you're going to refill the UV chamber slowly by opening the water supply just enough to fill the chamber with water. Check the system for leaks. If no leaks appear, fully open the inlet water valve, plug the power into the ballast, and then ensure that the UV lamp is operating. Next, we're going to hold down the timer reset button while reapplying power to the controller until you see R set on the display. Then release the timer reset button. A 5-second delay will occur until you hear an audible tone and the LED display will read 365 once again. Next, we're going to open the pre-filter housing by turning the canister counterclockwise until it falls free from the head. Once it's loose with a wrench, you can generally do it by hand. If you have difficulty getting the pre-filter loose, we have a great YouTube video that shows you how. Next, we're going to remove and discard the old cartridge. For this example, I already have a new one, so I'm just going to put this back in, but here's the O-ring. You're going to want to wash out the housing and install the new cartridge. Reinstall the housing, making sure the O-ring is coated with silicone grease and is fully sealed on the housing. Next, you're going to open a faucet downstream of the system and turn on the water supply. After the air's been purged, close the downstream faucet. Then press the pressure relief button on the filter housing to purge the air. That button's located right here. If the system hasn't been running for a while, you'll need to disinfect the UV with chlorine. We have a great YouTube video that shows you how. We'll put the link in the description below. Not sure about how these UV systems actually work? We've got a great video that you can click here and we'll see you there.